Golden bird from starlight paths spreads its ethereal wings, in streaks of gold and silver, dispensing living springs. Crimson eyes give piercing sight and probe mystical realms, to bear the veiled and shrouded where darkness overwhelms. Taking flight in voyage true, soars chief supremely strong, yet spry in mode and movement while traveling along. Shining light cast descending, pure beams igniting souls, fills all that's dark and cheerless to comfort and console. Brazen truth and liquid mix drips off brilliant tongue, to drench dull ears with balsam compassionately flung. Stately songs and rhythm ring to fill spiritual space and give a pulse for marching in battle's every place. Quickly through the nightly sky, come, O golden bird. All those whose hearts are longing are waiting for your word. Gently turns the brazen fowl to give listening ear, in sparks of light soars quickly and draws his presence near. Every heart in rhythm true is drawn completely to this bird of hope and comfort, and finds their spirits new. So every day I'll call to you and wait patiently for the day of song and dancing, when I rise with you and soar.